What you got? Whoa. That's her sticker, guys. Do you like your sticker?
Yeah. Look.
Oh, wow.
Look at this.
Let me see what dress she had now. Oh, wow. That's a cute dress.
Cute.
Oh, she got the shoes too?
Yeah.
Nice.
Look
Good
at
job.
that already.
Yeah. Oh, you can take it out? That's magic. Oh. Who's pretty girl?
You and me.
Ah, you're so nice.
Daddy, hold on, hit it.
No.
Yes.
Nope.
Oh, Daddy home.
Daddy home? Daddy home, sabi niya. Yan yung nilalaro niya. Ayan siya. Yun ang maganda kay Jelana. Pwede siya maglaro mag-isa. Ilalaro niya, di ba guys? Yun.
Daddy home.
Oh, good job.
Daddy home. I do my part.
Yeah. No, you need to play first.
I want to play this place.
Okay, play that first. Naglalaro. Nayos na pala dito.
Pinayos ko nga ron.
Mm.
Too bad. Too sad.
Too bad, so sad.
Yeah.
Grandma, clean up your toys.
Oh, dali nina.
Naglalaro naman kasi siya, nagagamit niya yung mga laruan eh.
Mama, take pin.
Kaso nainis na yung tatay niya.
Eh,
Daddy home.
Daddy home?
Yeah, here.
Yeah. Where did he go? In a meeting?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sadusi.
Maayos naman yun.
Maayos na naman. Marami pa dyan. Marami pa dito ni.
Marami pa dyan. Jelana, you got lots of toys.
I take that paper too.
Oh, you sent to the Philippines?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, wow. Good job.
Baga na ni Daddy na nga sila ng Philippines.
Okay, we'll send it to the Philippines then.
I did.
Ah,
I did.
is that okay?
No, and I did.
Yeah.
Nuh-uh.
Grandma already put in the box.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Hindi na yung malalaki ang...
Buy more toy, please.
Huh?
Buy more toy.
After we send it to the Philippines, we'll buy more
Wait,
toys.
I already do that.
Yeah, I know. Grandma has to send it to the Philippines first.
Daddy, no, Daddy do that.
Oh, Daddy will send it, your toy, to the
Yeah,
Philippines?
we do that.
Okay.
We do that.
Yeah.
Hey, choose.
Ate Dong si...
Auntie Dawn.
Jelana, tell you're doing YouTube. Send more money. Yeah, padala daw niya yung mga laruan niya sa Philippines. Kaya yun. Diyos ko.
Where's Jay?
Here, Mom. Where am I?
May mumu na naman dyan. May mumu dyan. Is that your... Oh. Let me see. Oh, wow.
Do it here.
Oh, sleeping now?
Titi.
Oh.
Titi.
Oh, dirty?
Yeah.
Oh.
Potato. What was? I was. Tati, I was choose.